Are you spending your income wisely? Let's dive into these guidelines that can help you master the art of spending your income wisely. First things first, budgeting. Now, what's a budget, you ask? Well, it's essentially a roadmap for your money. It's a way to trace where every single penny goes. And why is this important? It helps you understand your spending patterns, identify areas where you can trim your expenses, and most importantly, it helps you allocate your hard-earned money to serve your needs and wants effectively. Creating a budget is easier than you might think. Start by noting down your monthly income. Then list out all your expenses. This includes everything from your rent or mortgage, bills, groceries, to your daily coffee runs. Once you have an overview of your income and expenses, it's time to see where you can cut back. Maybe you've been spending a bit too much on takeouts, or perhaps those subscription services are starting to add up. Remember, a budget is a tool to give you control over your money. Moving on to the next step, we delve into the concept of an emergency fund. Picture your life as an unpredictable roller coaster ride, filled with thrilling highs and challenging lows. It's during these sudden dips and twists where an emergency fund comes to your rescue. This fund acts as a financial shield, safeguarding you from the unexpected hurdles life throws at you. Be it an unexpected job loss, a health-related emergency, or even a major car breakdown. You might be contemplating the ideal amount for this fund. A wise guideline is to accumulate 3 to 6 months' worth of your living expenses. Sounds overwhelming, isn't it? But remember the saying, Rome wasn't built in a day. Initiating with a small sum can have a substantial impact over time. Consider your emergency fund as your personal financial safety net, ready to catch you when life sends you on a detour. Having an emergency fund can indeed be your financial life preserver. If you're finding this video helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this one, and while you're at it, hit that like button and please share your comments with us. Looking ahead to step number 3, managing debt. Visualize yourself hauling a hefty backpack uphill. This is comparable to the sensation of debt. It's a burden that hampers your pace, pulling you backwards as you ascend. The more substantial the backpack, the more challenging it becomes to progress. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances, are akin to boulders in that backpack, exacerbating the steep climb. Rapidly paying off these high-interest debts reduces your burden, facilitating a smoother financial journey. This is the initial move towards fiscal liberation. The longer these debts linger unsettled, the more weight they gain due to compounding interest. It's akin to overloading your backpack with more stones. Accumulated debt can detrimentally affect your financial well-being. It diminishes your capacity to save, invest, and relish your income. It's an obstruction to your financial growth. So strategize your debt management. Opt for larger payments, negotiate for decreased interest rates, or contemplate debt consolidation. Bear in mind, the quicker you become debt-free, the more capital you'll have for other facets. Moving on to step 4, we turn our attention to savings and investments. Think of your income as a pie. A slice of that pie should be saved. This is akin to making payment to your future self. You're setting up for a phase when you might require a financial safety net, or when you choose to and live off your savings. However, savings alone can't ensure a secure future. You must also contemplate investments. Investments resemble seeds. You sow them, nourish them, and eventually they grow, providing a larger yield than what you initially sowed. Long-term investments such as retirement funds, stocks, or real estate are choices. Retirement funds appreciate over time, stocks can yield dividends and potential value escalation, and real estate can appreciate and yield rental income. Investing, however, comes with risks. Trick is to grasp these risks, diversify your investments, and think long-term. Bear in mind, investments are not a scheme to get rich overnight. They're about accumulating wealth over time. Investments are your path to financial growth. Step 5, we delve into the criticality of insurance in financial planning. Just like driving a car without auto insurance or inhabiting a house without homeowners insurance is a risk, it's equally important to safeguard your health, life, and property with insurance policies. Consider it as your protective shield, standing guard against the unpredictability of life. Health insurance, for instance, aids in managing medical expenses, right from routine health checks to critical surgeries. It goes beyond merely providing medical aid when required. It's about ensuring affordable care during your most vulnerable times. Life insurance, conversely, is about caring for the people most dear to you, even in your absence. It signifies leaving not a financial burden, but a legacy of love. Finally, there's property insurance, securing residence, vehicles, and possessions. Because life can throw unexpected challenges, and it's always wise to be prepared rather than regret later. Insurance provides a financial cushion for unforeseen circumstances. It's about the tranquility of mind, knowing you are ready to handle any situation that life presents. Moving on to step 6, essential expenses. These are the very basics, the non-negotiables, the essentials for survival and functioning in today's world. This includes housing, food, utilities, and transportation. Diving housing first. Regardless if you're renting or making mortgage payments, this is likely your biggest expenditure. It's crucial to select a dwelling that aligns with your budget. Up next, sustenance. Strategically planning your meals, shopping with a pre-made list, and curbing impulse buys can lead to surprising savings. Then we have utilities comprising of electricity, water, gas, and internet. Although these are generally fixed costs, you can exercise control over them through energy efficiency and mindful usage. Last but not least, transportation. Be it driving, cycling, or using public transit, always weigh the most cost-effective and practical alternatives for your specific circumstances. Keep in mind, these elements form the backbone of your budget. They may be non-negotiable, but they are not beyond control. Essential expenses should invariably hold the top spot in your financial priorities. Step 7. Investing in personal development can yield significant dividends. This statement rings true for all walks of life, regardless of where you stand on your career path. Whether you're just starting out, looking to change lanes, or simply wanting to make the most out of your current role, investing in your personal development is key. Education and skills training open doors to opportunities you might not have considered before. They empower you to take charge of your future, to shape it according to your aspirations. It might be a course to improve your technical skills, a workshop to hone your leadership abilities, or a degree to dive deeper into your field. These investments can lead to promotions, higher salaries, and a more fulfilling career. Moreover, personal development goes beyond the realm of work. It contributes to your overall growth as an individual, enhancing your confidence, self-awareness, and resilience. So, don't hesitate to invest in that course, to buy that book, or to attend that seminar. Investing in yourself is never a waste. Now we move to step number 8. Charitable giving is also a part of wise spending. It's about setting aside a slice of your income to support causes you believe in. This isn't just about money. You can also donate your time, skills, or even unwanted items. It's about making a difference, big or small. Whether it's helping a local community project, supporting a global cause, or even sponsoring a child's education, every bit counts. It's not just about the impact on others, but also on you. Giving back to society can be a rewarding experience. Step number 9. Leisure and entertainment are vital components of a well-rounded life. Alongside our obligations to eat, sleep, and work, we have a duty to unwind, find joy, and cherish our moments. This underscores the importance of setting aside a suitable portion of your earnings for recreation, pastimes, and amusement. Whether it's a night out at the movies, immersing oneself in a hobby, or embarking on a much-needed vacation, these pursuits aid in revitalizing our minds, mitigating stress, and augmenting our overall life quality. However, the operative here is suitable. It's prudent to map out and earmark funds for these activities to avert excessive expenditure. This isn't to say that impromptu fun is off the table, but maintaining a broad understanding of your financial capabilities aids in sustaining your monetary well-being. And bear in mind, leisure doesn't necessitate a hefty price tag. Numerous budget-friendly options for spending your time exist, such as delving into a captivating book, embarking on a hike, or enjoying a picnic in the park. Above all, remember that it's pivotal to relish life whilst managing your finances. Moving on to step number 10, we discuss the significance of frequent reviews and adjustments. Imagine yourself a sailor, constantly adjusting your sails to the whims of the shifting winds. In a similar manner, you must mold your financial plan to the unpredictable waves of life. Your income may rise or fall, your objectives might alter, or unforeseen life events may throw you off course. By periodically reviewing your budget, say monthly or quarterly, you gain the ability to monitor your expenditure, highlight areas that need improvement, and alter your financial allocations accordingly. Maybe you've managed to clear a substantial debt, thus providing more room for your income. Or perhaps a promotion resulted in a raise, giving you more means to save, invest, or spend towards personal development or leisure. Your financial blueprint isn't carved in stone. It's a dynamic and living concept that should develop and reshape with you. It should mirror your present state, future ambitions, and even past learnings. It's your guide to achieving financial wellness and wealth. Bear in mind, as your life evolves, so should your financial plan. We discussed some guidelines on how to prudently manage your income. We covered everything from budgeting to constructing an emergency fund, handling debts, saving and investing, to putting essential expenses and insurance on the top of your priority list. The necessity of personal growth, charitable donations, leisure, entertainment. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.